Hey everybody, Chicken Mama here. I just want to show you the plants that I planted a few weeks ago. See how they're actually coming out. Take a look. Okay, so the eggplant. Take a look at the eggplant. And this is all from my self-pollinating that I do. I mean, I'm sure there's probably some bees and stuff, but I pollinate everything. Every flower I see, I self-pollinate. Look at all of these eggplants growing in here. Big one right over there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy cow. All from doing it myself. Another one there. Oh, and then the papaya tree I thought was going to die. Look, that's coming back. Got some more sprouted already though too. So, okay, then what else do we have here? Oh, gosh, it just rained, so there's water everywhere. All these are the grapes. That's grape. Grape. Okay, my peach trees. Look at these peach trees. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then we've got, there's peaches on here started. Look at that. Peach started right there. There's another one started over here. Also self-pollinating that. Another one here. No other flowers to pollinate today, but another peach tree that I grew from a seed. Look, I've got strawberries started. More lemons. That's a Gala apple tree that I started from a seed. Let's see. Oh, look at all these. All the tangerines. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. Look at all the little ones that just popped up. Look at all that. Oh, there's a nice big one started. Look at all that. Them avocados, I still need to graft these things so I can start getting some fruit off there. Oh, and then the tomatoes. Let's check this out. So I've been self-pollinating all these. See? They've started here. Ooh, spider. Yuck. Here. And back there. Still don't have a guava though. All those trees are growing well. Strawberries. Okay. The squirrels are going to get the best of me. I'm going to have to do something else. This part's actually working to cover up everything, but as you can see, I can't even help guide all the cantaloupe and cucumber and everything that I have planted there because I can't get to it. But I got to figure something out with that. Okay, then inside the greenhouse. So something was eating this. I have no idea what. I sprayed some Dawn liquid soap and water because I don't use any kind of chemicals. So I put that on there. We'll see if it comes back. But everything is starting to sprout up. Those are cantaloupe. Let's see what else we got here. All my potatoes and onions. Those are the ones with the see-through. Let's see if we can see any potatoes yet. Not yet. But we will soon. I can't wait. That is so gratifying to be able to grow your own food. Okay, all my mangoes are coming up. Mango. More tomatoes. Oh, pomegranate from a seed. Papaya. All this stuff's starting to come up. Okay, let's see what else we got over here. I still need to fix that zipper on that greenhouse too. Let's see. Oh, look at all this. I didn't even know I planted jalapenos over here. I thought it was green bell peppers, but I've got jalapenos everywhere. Again, self-pollinating. More there. My blueberry. Oh, we got a blueberry right there. Oh, more blueberries right here. See if we can see it. There we go. Ooh, more blueberries. Look at that. Blueberries. See if we can get them. There we go. Okay. Got all these tomato plants over here coming up. Oh, here's another one. And this one is a beefsteak. Ooh, I'm so excited. So we got a beef steak right there. I've been pollinating those, so they should come up. I planted 5-foot lilies last year, and they're coming back. I'm so excited. My grapes are doing well. Good. I caught the squirrels out here digging up my Brussels sprouts and my broccoli. Ooh, take a look at my squash. I've been pollinating these flowers too, so it's doing very well though. Yeah. I'm excited about that. And my beans, look how good my beans are doing. My peas, not yet. Yeah, hi squirrel, how you doing? See, if you'll stay over here where I give you food, you'll be okay. You don't, you're gonna get hurt. No joke. Just head it with these guys. I mean, I give them food. Look at this. Look, I give them food. So why are you coming into my area or into the bird stuff? Peas. Oh, there's one growing up there. Okay. Let's see. No raspberries yet. No blackberry. Ooh, I got a flower on a blackberry. Ooh. That means. Ooh, and there's one right there that was a flower. Hopefully it got pollinated because I didn't even know they were flowering. Potatoes. More strawberry. Oh, the strawberry growing on there. Another lemon tree. Parsley, onions, beets, carrots, onions. This is all milkweed for the butterflies. I'm trying to attract the butterflies. Okay, so that is an update on what I planted thus far.